Hello everyone, Trudy here with Heal Wellness and Therapy, and today I am not here as your therapeutic yoga teacher or physical therapist. I am here as your sleep coach, and I want to make sure that I help you if you struggle with insomnia. Now, there is really cool research that came out of Korea in 2021, a massive study where they took 34 clinical trials and compared the usage of aroma inhalation, specifically lavender. So what I want to do today is help you not only improve your quantity of sleep, but also your quality of sleep, and teach you how to make a simple roll-on of lavender to help your sleep. Aroma inhalation. So in this study, we know if all you do is have lavender and inhale it, it can improve your quality and quantity of sleep. But you don't want to wake up in the middle of the night or just have a bottle next to your bed and smell it. So I want to show you a way that you can topically apply it and then use your hands with a beautiful breathing technique and get some nice inhalation into your respiratory system to really help you sleep better. So let's get started. What do you need? You need lavender essential oil. You need some sort of carrier oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil, but I love fractionated coconut oil. And you're going to need an empty roll-on bottle. I'll share some links below in the description. Then what you want to do is take your roll-on bottle. This is a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle, and you're going to put in 20 drops of lavender. So simply a drop per milliliter is what you want. My apologies, 2 drops per milliliter is what you want when you're doing a roll-on that you're going to be using with breathing. So if it's a 10 milliliter bottle, you're going to put 20 drops. Obviously, a 5 milliliter bottle, you would use 10 drops. Once you have your 20 drops in, fill it to the rim with your fractionated coconut oil or your essential oil, whichever you prefer. Once you have it to the top, you've got an equal blend of your essential oil and your carrier oil. Take your roller ball, give it a nice good click, give it a shake, and you are ready to use it at night. Now, before we go into doing the breathing exercise, understand that using this oil, you just need a little tiny bit of it. So this will last you months. Take the oil, place it into the palm of your hand. I like to do a circle or 2. Take your hands and rub them until you feel the oil warming and your hands nice and warm. Imagine that you're laying down as you're doing this. Then open your hands. Bring your nose close to your hands. Nice slow deep inhale into the nose. Open your mouth and exhaling out. Nice deep inhale into the nose. Slow exhale out. 3 is always a charm when it comes to breathing. Nice deep inhale in. And out you go. I hope from there you get a nice, beautiful, restful, nice sleep. Nice, good quality of sleep and quantity of sleep. Now, if you like this little video on a how-to of simply doing a lavender inhalant at night, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.